Okay, so this is taken from textbook Sadiku. Okay. Find I naught. I naught is the current flows through 8 ohm. Okay, by using nodal analysis. Okay, by using nodal analysis. So the first step is to find to determine the nodes. Okay, so we found that we should have 3 nodes here: V1, V2, and V3. Okay. V1, V2, and V3. So, and then we can proceed with this equation. Okay, KCL at each node. So at V1, I1 plus 4, okay, I1 plus 4 is equal, plus I0 is equal to 0. And then we substitute each I with Ohm's law. Okay, I is equal to V over R. Okay, you may skip this step. Okay, you may skip this step and go to this step. Okay, or you can write both equation. So we substitute each I with Ohm's law. I is equal to V over R. So I1 is equal to V1 minus V3 divided with 1. Okay, plus 4 plus I0 is equal to V1 minus 0 divided with 8 is equal to 0. And then please rearrange your equation in terms of, please rearrange your equation so that we have V1, V2, V3 and so on in order, and then equal to the round number. Okay. Any question regarding KCL at V1? Any question? No question?
Madam.
Okay, now we go to KCL at V2. We have 4 here. 4 is equal to 2 I0 plus I2. Okay. But we know, okay, we have to substitute I0 because we should have only V in our equation. So I0, where is I0? I0 is here. We know that I0 is equal to V1 over 8. Okay. So we substitute this into this equation. So 4 is equal to I2. I2 is equal to V2 divided with 2, or with V2 minus 0 divided with 2 plus 2 in the bracket V1 divided with 8. Please rearrange so that we have V1, V2, V3 and so on in order, and then equal to round number, make it the second equation. Any question? No. Okay, we move to equation KCL at V3. We have I3 is equal to 2I0 plus I1. Okay, I3 is equal to V3 over 4. I1 is equal to, we found it. So I1 is equal to V1 minus V3 over 1 plus 2 I0 is equal to V1 over 8. Rearrange, okay, and then solve these 3 equations using calculator. Finally, we get V1, V2, V3, okay. I just write V1 here, okay, because we want to know I0 is equal to V1 divided with 8. I0 is equal to V1 divided with 8. I0 is equal to 4 amps. Any question?
Madam.
Hmm.
If we use nodal analysis, we need to do the reference node, madam.
0 volt, right?
0 volt. So kita kena we have to indicate the location of the reference node, madam.
So the reference node is which
In the
node?
middle, right?
Reference node.
The
Reference node is what?
reference node ada apa tu, sambungkan banyak branch kan, madam kan?
For example,
Should be like, for example for this question lah, dekat bawah 2 ohm tu madam. Resistor 2 ohm tu situ.
a reference node is 0 volt.
Oh.
It is grounding.
Grounding eh.
Yes. So the voltage is 0. So you can ignore that because 0 ohm. Okay. 0 ohm.
Madam, yang macam the idea of a reference node tu, so the current flows through there lah madam. That is the final destination of the current lah eh.
This is reference node, right? So V here is equal to 0 volts. That's why I naught is equal to V1 actually minus 0, okay, divided with 8. Or you can write V1 over 8. Okay. And then what else? I2 is equal to V2 minus 0 volts divided with 2. Or you can write just V2 divided with 2. Okay. Same goes for I3. I3 is actually V3 minus 0 divided with 4. Okay, V3 minus 0 divided with 4. Or you can just write V3 divided with 4. Okay.
Okay. Tapi kalau ada voltage source kat atas tu, kena tolak dulu yang tu kan. Rasa tolak kosong tapi tak letak lah eh.
Which one? Oh, let's say we have voltage source connected with 4 ohm or 8 ohm, right? Yes, we have to minus that voltage source.
Okay. Thank you madam.
Okay, we go to the next. I have updated this slide and have uploaded in Microsoft Teams just now. This is problem 11 from Studyku book. Find V0 and power dissipated in all the resistors. Okay, V0 is here. So how many node should we have? Only one, right? It is V0. Okay, and then we put the arrow of current. Up to you how to put the arrow of current because your equation will follow the arrow of current. So let I1, I2 and I3 goes out from this node. So I1 plus I2 plus I3 is equal to 0. So we substitute each I with the Ohm's law. So I1 is equal to V0 over 60. V0 minus 60 divided with 12 plus I2 is equal to V0 minus 0 or just V0 divided with 12 plus I3 is equal to V0 minus 24 divided with 6 equals 0. Please rearrange. Okay. We have only unknown here V0, so we will get we will straightly get the answer V0 is equal to 3 volts. Okay, now we are done for V0 and then power dissipated. So we use formula P is equal to I square R because we can know we can find the current at each branch. So power at this 12 ohm. Okay, we have two 12 ohm here at branch I1 and at branch I2. So power here is equal to I1 square multiplied with 12. Okay, I1 is equal to V0 minus 60 divided with 12 square multiplied with 12. Okay, we get this. Same goes for power of 12 ohm at this branch. Here we can use formula V square over R. Okay, because we know V0 is equal to the voltage drop across 12. V is equal to 3 square divided with 12. We get this answer. Power of 6 ohm is equal to I3 squared multiplied with 6. I3 is V0 plus 24 divided with 6 square and multiply with 6, we get this. Any question? If no, say no, type no. Any question?
Madam?
Yes?
At the KCL at V0, I don't know how to simplify the equation. The V0 minus 0 over 12.
Sorry?
The KCL at V0, the equation of V0 minus 0 over 12, how to get V0 over 3 equals to 1, ma'am?
How to get V naught? Again?
V0 over 3 equals to 1.
V naught over 3 equal to 1. Oh, this one. This one. So, you just solve this equation. In this equation, we have only one unknown. So, you just solve it and you will get V naught. Finally, you will get this. Okay? Any other question?
Okay, ma'am. Okay.
No. Okay, good. So, this is the next question. Find V naught. V naught is the voltage drop across 10 ohm. So please put node. Determine the node. We have two nodes here. This node and this node. Okay, let's name this node as V naught. Okay, because it is same as this. So we apply KCL at V1. Okay, all currents go leave V1 node. So I1 plus Ix plus I2 is equal to 0. You can skip this equation, KCL equation. You can go directly to this substitution. Okay, I1 is equal to V1 minus 40 divided with 20 plus Ix is equal to V1 divided with 20 plus I2 is equal to V1 minus V0 divided with 10 equals 0. Please rearrange so that write V1, V0 in order, okay? Or V0 followed by V1 equal to the round number. Okay, KCL at V0, I2 plus 4Ix is equal to I3. Substitute I2 is equal to this, V1 minus V0 over 10 plus 4Is. Is is equal to this V1 over 20 is equal to I3. I3 is equal to V0 over 10. Rearrange, okay? Make sure that before you key in the numbers in calculator, both equation have the same order of V1, the same arrangement of V1 of the voltage, okay? Let's say the first equation we have V1 followed by V0. So make sure that the other equation are arranged by the same arrangement. Okay, so we have V1 followed by V0. Okay, equal to round number. Okay, this is the answer from calculator. We will get V1 and V0. The answer is V0 is equal to 60 volts. Can understand? Say yes, type yes.
Madam. The reason why we put V0 at the second node on the right is because the V0 resistor at the right corner. Macam tu
You can name it as V2 as well, but
Tapi
at the
tak.
end, V2 is equal to V0. Okay.
Okay. Boleh. Thank you, madam.
The next question. Find V1 and V2 by using nodal analysis. Okay. So V1, this is the original question. It put V1 here and V2 here. Actually, we can just write equation for V2 only. Okay. So actually in this figure we should only have one node. It is at node V2. Okay, so now I just write equation at node V2. I1 plus I2 equal to 15. Okay, so I1 here plus I2 equal to 15. So now we substitute I1. I1 is equal to V2. Okay, and then minus 10. Okay, V2 minus 10 divided with summation of R. It is 10. Okay, like this. This is 2, this is A. This is grounding. So I1 is equal to V2. So V2 minus 10. Okay. And then I2 is equal to V2 minus 0 or V2 divided with 4 and then equals to 15. Okay, and finally we will get V2 is equal to 40. So V1 is equal to the voltage drop across 8, right? V1 is the voltage drop across 8. Same goes for V2. V2 is the voltage drop across 4. Okay. So V1 is equal to 8 I1. We replace I1 with this. It is V2 plus 10 divided with 10. And then substitute V2 is equal to 40. We will get 40 volts. Or if we look at this branch, we can solve this by using voltage divider. How? We want to find the V1. V1 is the voltage drop across 8 ohm. So 8 here divided with the summation of R at this branch, it is 10, multiply with the voltage that supplied to this branch. Okay, the voltage that supplied to this branch is V2 minus 10. We will get the same answer. Yes, okay. Any question? I will convert this. I will upload this video in YouTube and I will paste the link in Microsoft Teams. Okay, this is the next question. Find V0 by using nodal analysis. V0 is the voltage drop across 4 ohm. Can you see my screen?
Yes, Doctor, yes.
Okay. Now we determine the nodes in this circuit. Okay. We should have only 2 nodes. Let's name it as V1 and V2 or V1 and V0 because V0 is here. So just use the notation, this notation. We apply KCL at each node. So at V1, okay, I1 plus I2 plus 12.5 is equal to 0. And then we substitute. Apa dia, Hilman?
Oh tak madam, ada student dia nampak muka madam je, madam dia tak nampak slide. Itu lah tu nak belajar macam mana kan.
Okay, I1 is equal to V1 minus 100 divided with 1. plus I2 V1 minus V0 divided with 2 plus 12.5 equal to 0, and then rearrange V1, V0 equal to round number. Okay, and then KCL at V0, I2 plus 12.5 is equal to I3 plus I4. I2 is equal to V1, okay, we have found I2 is equal to this, V1 minus V0 over 2 plus 12.5 is equal to I3. I3 is equal to V0 minus 0 over 4, or just write V0 over 4 plus I4 is equal to V0 minus 50 divided with 8. Please rearrange, okay. Finally, you will get V1 and V0, okay. So V0 is equal to 50 volt. Can I understand?
Madam, macam mana I2 plus 12.5 tu boleh sama dengan I4 dengan I3?
KCL here at V0. Yeah, KCL here. So current enter the node is I2 and 12.5. Current leave the node is equal to I3 plus I4. Right. At V0 we have 4 branches.
Oh, okay. Thank you.
Any other question? No?
Madam, at V1, the equation I1 plus I2 plus 12.5, madam kan?
I1 plus I2 plus 12.5 equals 0.
But okay, tak nampak.
Okay, any other question? No.
So madam, kalau dekat V1 tu saya buat macam negatif I1 tolak I2 tolak 12.5 equal to 0, okay juga madam kan?
Yeah, but why you put negative? Just make it positive.
Okay.
Okay, because current enter equal to current leave the node, right? Current enter, no current enter, right? That's why 0. And then current leaving the node is I1, I2, and 12.5. Okay. This is the next question. Find I0 by using other analysis. So the first step is to determine the nodes. Don't think negative. Think positive, okay? Do not think negative. Be positive. Okay. So the first step is to determine the node. So here I just put 2 nodes, V1 here and V2 here, because this node is 60 volt here is equal to this node. Okay. So let's apply KCL at V1. We have 3 branches at V1, so we will have 3 terms. So I0 is equal to I1 plus I3. I0 is equal to 60 minus V1 divided with 4 is equal to I1. I1 is equal to V1 minus V2 over 2. I3 is equal to V1 minus 0 over 8. Please rearrange and okay, so that you will have V1, V2 in order, equal to round number. KCL at V2, we have 3 branches at V2, meaning that you will have 3 terms in your equation. So I1 plus I2 plus 3 I0 is equal to 0. I1 is equal to V1 minus V2 over 2. I2 is equal to 60 minus V2 over 10 plus 3 I0, 3. Please substitute I0. I0 is equal to 60 minus V1 over 4. Please rearrange, okay, so that you write V1 followed by V0, okay. Please be consistent for your both equation, okay. V1 followed by V2. This is V2, right? Okay. And then from calculator you will get V1 and V2. I just write V1 here. Because we just want to know V1. Because I naught is equal to 60 minus V1 over 4 and we will get I naught. Any question?
Thank you so much, Doctor.
No question? Say no, type no.
No question.
Okay, good. No question, right? Okay, please. Next week we will have quiz 1, right? It's on Monday, 4 p.m. We will do it on Microsoft Teams, okay? I will post the question in Microsoft Teams. Okay? When is our quiz 1? It's on
Monday.
Monday at
Monday, 4 p.m.
4 p.m.
4:30 p.m. Okay, so
Madam, the quiz will be consist of one question only or many question?
Few question.
Oh, few question. Alright.
Objective only. Okay. Your attendance has been taken from this.
Question, the quiz include which chapters?
Sorry?
The quiz include which chapters? Chapter 1 or chapter 1 and 2?
Please answer everybody. I think so many times I informed to you.
KCL, KVL, voltage divider.
Please type.
All right, thank you.
Okay. So please refer to Microsoft Teams. I will post a quiz in each channel. Okay. So if you are BKM section 1, please answer in BKM section 1 channel. Okay. Okay. If there is no question, we will end our session. Any other question?
Madam, about the attendance, kan madam kan kasih yang kena fill attendance punya soalan madam kan? Ada kawan-kawan datang lecture tapi dia macam dia terlepas nak jawab. So madam macam mana madam? Madam ambil daripada list ni kan madam pakai attendance punya yang question?
Okay. I think I have explained many times about this. Can anyone answer this?
Attendance tu